Okay, the vertex is this point up here at the top of our graph, and that would be the ordered pair 2, 9 for this one. And for this problem, it is a maximum value because it is at the very tip top of a graph. So when my parabola opens downward like this one does, my vertex is a maximum. Now the y-intercept, so right here where it crosses the y-axis, and that would be, looks like the point 0, 7. The zeros, remember the zeros are the x-intercept, so where it crosses the x-axis, there's usually 2. So in this case, and we're rounding to the nearest whole number just for ease sake, so that would be 6, 0, and a negative 2, 0. And then remember that the axis of symmetry is this imaginary vertical line that goes down through the center. And we always write it as x equals, and then it's the x value of the vertex.